Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I want to start a new challenge. We will code design patterns with Golang. And this video will take about 10 minutes. That's why I have to be really quick and so I can't explain everything in depth. Anyway, let's start with factory pattern. Let's have a package factory and import FMT package of Golang. And I want to write a car factory struct. It will produce different type cars. And the client interacts with factory struct and tells the what kind of instance actually needs to be created, and the factory class interact with the corresponding concretes, actually concrete structs, and then return the correct one. And I create a car interface. It includes common functions of cars, and those are actually getter and setter functions of car structs member, which are like set name, get name, or set price, get price, something. Let's write set name, which takes name as parameter, and set price. Get name, it returns string, and get price. Okay, and then let's write a car struct. It has price and name member. Let's write it. Type car struct. Name is string and the price is integer. After that, I write two car structs, and those are Audi and TOG. TOG is the Turkish company, and they extend the car struct. And I want to pass car struct getter and setter functions. Let's pass it. And as you see, those are getter and setter functions. In next step, I want to write two functions for creating new cars. And first one is new talk, which creates a new object, new talk object, and returns it. And let's write new car. I could pass the variable values as parameter, but I want to write them as static. And let's write the second one, new Audi, and it returns car interface. And new Audi, name Audi, and price, let's say 13,700. Okay, and now it's time to write a car factories function which create new car with given type. And car factory, let's say create car, and it needs parameters, the name of car name or car brand name. Hmm, let's say just car name, a string, and it returns car interface type and error. Okay, let's continue. If the car name equals Audi, my factory creates new Audi car object. Here we go. And if the car name equal Tog, it will return new Tog object. And if the given car name is invalid, it will return an error. And let's write an error message. FMT error F invalid car name. Awesome. And the last one, I want to write a function which is print details. As you can understand by reading the function name, it will print the details about car objects. Let's write something about it. FMT printf. I want to write car name and car price. Car name. And factory design pattern is a creational design pattern, and it's also one of the most commonly used pattern. And it says that object creation will be handled by another class using the input type. And if you look at the code, that you can see we will use the car factory struct for object creation. Okay, let's check. I'm a client and I interact with factory struct and tell the what kind of instance I need, and then the factory create it for me. The factory class interact with the corresponding concrete structs and return me to correct instance. Okay, now I want to test my code, and I have a test file, package factory, and import testing. Let's have a function test factory. which has parameter as default testing of Golang. And let's create a factory and produce a car with given type. I want to produce two cars. The first one is Audi, let's say, and factory that create car with given name. I want to create Audi. And the second one is talk. Let's do it. Okay. And print details about Audi and talk. Okay, I think I'm done. Let's run go test comment, and okay, we have a problem. I think I forgot something. Okay, we need comma. Let's fix. Okay, save it and go back test file. Okay, run test again. And car name Audi, car price 13,700, and the car name talk, and car price. Okay, as you see, we create two objects. The first one is Audi and the second one is talk by using just one factory. Last of all, I created objects without exposing the instantiation logic to client. See you guys in next videos. Until then, enjoy learning.